On YouTube, I'm going to show you a simple way how to open these locks. You know, these locks are, you can find these locks anywhere. Just the key is just hardly impossible to find the way. So I figured out a way how to make the keys for this. As you can see inside, you can see 6 lines inside, which is 6 pins. So this is a 6 level lock, you need 6 pins. Very easy to open. I'm about to show you exactly the stuff that I need. You need 2 pins, 2 paper clips, 2 pieces of wood, and 6 pins. These are nail gun pins. These are nail gun nails. These are 2-inch, 18 gauge. So these are very simple. So you have to take the pins, separate it, take the piece of wood. Doesn't have to be perfect piece of wood. Put it in the middle. Make sure the flat part of any piece that you break off are towards the top. Hold on to it. Put the clips on the side just to put tension on the nails so they won't come off. And loose enough, and it should look something like this. So you need 6 nails of a nail gun, 2 pieces of wood, doesn't matter how it looks, as long as it will hold, 2 paper clips, metal. So you take this, take the lock, you put your finger here, the thumb, the other finger, and you pull open. You have to give it tension so when you push the pins in, it will hold in place. So you just push it in, push it out, push it in, push it out. You keep doing that until you see that it will open. Sometimes it takes, sometimes it takes you 2 minutes. Sometimes it takes. So it's very simple. These locks are easy to open. It takes time. One lock could take you 5 minutes. One lock could take you 10 minutes. It all depends your patience. It's very, very easy. So after you open it, what I do is I take a glue gun and I glue the ends of it, this portion of it, and you just let it sit 5 minutes. Once you let it sit 5 minutes, take off the pins and it will hold in place. So what you do is, after that, I'm going to show you one I already did. So this is how it's going to look after you're done. So with this key, you take this to any locksmith, and you have to purchase maybe a blank key from eBay or something, and they will cut it for its dimension, and it works. Can't beat this. Very simple. If you like this, give me a like, give me a comment. If you have some locks that you wanna let me know, try to open them. I have plenty. I've opened plenty of locks. This brand, other brands, there's not a lock I haven't opened. just stay tuned and give me a big like and subscribe.